Hey, I'm Fish. Oh, I forgot to turn my helmet on. I don't think my hand's long enough to get back to my head to show you the speed I'm going. Do you see it? I don't. How about now? Is it flickering? I did one at 30. I did one at 25. I'm not about to go figure out why electronics like so doesn't work well with other things. Oh, one last try. Let's just do auto. Now, rumors have it, get off a Pro and the spikes will go away. I'm not sure how true that can be if I get rid of my spikes by going on auto. What do you lose control of if you go on auto? Things in Pro, I guess. I got the two cameras in hand, DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. And we'll do the first half as usual with the DJI, and then be all natural sounds and video with the Ace Pro 2, unless I switch over to the DJI Mic 2. Well, I think I beat the sun up today. Well, let's ride down just a little bit more. And there it is. That is the shot for today. The sun. We'll ride on down and, depending on how many seconds you shoot video, about 20 seconds in, am I jumping up, exposuring? I gave video handheld. I gave video on a foul day on the table, low light, and I gave video with the sun. And, it is what it is, man. We got to deal with it. Can't figure it out. But I kind of know what it is. It's the sense of the camera. Nothing we can do about it. And you just never know where or when and how it's going to happen. And it may or may not ruin the shot. It may be a gentle increase, decrease, or harsh increase, decrease. I think it's time to pull over. This looks like a good spot. Right here. My spot at the end is taken. I was on Instaframe, free frame. Couldn't get off a 4x3. I'm turning. Which camera shows that turn the right way? I did 7.0 miles. The sun is just heading into the cloud. At least I try to get the shot. And my exposure hunting right here. And I'm not that far from the camera. Under 5 feet. Let me take a measurement. 3 and then 2 feet. If I step back to 6 to 7 feet, I should start to go hunting. Meaning that I would breathe out. And if I come into the camera, I should start to breathe in. There I am. Don't have to look at the camera. Now, is there bracketing on the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, that side-by-side comparison, we're on matrix and not priority face? I don't want to concentrate on my face. I want to concentrate on everything around me in this scene and me talking to you and sharing a story. Well, let's get on going. Nothing really to see but turn the camera around and tell you where I'm going. Sometimes holding up the high five may or may not work. Second time this happened, trying to get it to work. Well, we're going to head on down to the shore. Got to get some things going. And maybe by then we'll see a beautiful sunrise. Oh man, definition, the clouds are there, nice and wavy and beautiful indeed. Well, I'll probably go down this street there. I don't want to go down my end street. I have to fight to get into the sidewalk because the brush is overgrown, not wide enough. Let's get on going. Get on the bike. And I want to show you what the helmet says. So what I'm going to do is ride behind the camera and then continue forward. All right, here we go. Now you can see how fast I'm going. All right. Man, maybe I'll go one more block. The two roads I want to go on, they're under construction. They ripped up the street. Man, even the third one. I'm gonna have a new road to go on. Might as well go down, get to where I need to be at. One more can't hurt, right? I'll go one more. I'll go one more. We're turning, no matter what it is. The smooth street. Well, they get to this one and the next one's today, I guess. Well, it may take a couple of weeks, a month, two, to put the tar down. I'm riding along with the sun towards the front left. Not out yet, so it's a little shady to open sky, back to the shade, the trees. Do you see any jumps? Oh man, I missed it again. Oh yeah, so man, sun's not yellow no more. I did what I had to do, now I'm off going. And if you're interested in knowing what I did, I put some in the video. And from Lenovo, L-L-A-N-O, they make battery fast chargers for the Insta360, DJI Osmo action cameras, the Sony ZV-1 series cameras, and more, and many other types of cameras that we are with the company. And if you want to check them out, check the link that's in the description that I put there. They're a great company, man. They do a lot of good things. Let's get on going, get on out of here, finish up my vlog. I did this at the beginning. Let me put my camera in the back, and then this way you get to see if the helmet is not flickering for you. How does that look? Is that a lot better? That you're able to see it? Is it flickering? I smell garden, and it smells good. I wish my house smelled like that. I now smell turkey gravy. Ooh, or chicken and gravy. You know how you have gravy, bread, and chicken pieces, and you lay them on there. Oh man, what a lunch dish that is. The shul, the church, the synagogue must be cooking. I wanted to say, yeah, I saw a video, and it was about 2 paddle boards with apparatus, bars, aluminum poles, a tiller, seats, and they were equal paddle boards, and 2 people sat like on a chair, and off they went. Man, I would be interested in, for me, single, but I would have to sit in the center because I would have tipped on over. Well, I'm Fish. I had a good talk, good share, good fun, good run. It's time for me to get on going. Well, we'll see you on the next one, the next talk, the next show. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. And yeah, I said I did a lot, share a lot, shoot some. Shoot that love. Have a great one. See you on the next show.